Nag-pray ng bus. Bubos ba? Now good. Rebound. Pastor Sarmiento, 2 points. Congratulations, diba?
Grabe ba? Parang tama raw yun ah.
Pass to jersey number 19, 2 points. Pastor Adamos, 10 seconds to shoot, 2 points. All four tayo, all four. Good, rebound, Pastor Adamos, to Picordal, Picordal, clear trap, using glass, now good, sa kanya ulit, 2 points. Cornales, Cornales, 2 points. Pastor Adamos, for 2 points. Score natin 8-7. Cornales, to Redugla, for 2 points. Pastor Ramos. Pastor Ramos, no good, rebound, Cordal, 2 points. Uy, binigay sa kalaban, narin mo. There's number 08. 08. Tumira, 2 points. Grabe naman. Cordal, no good, rebound. Nauna na, Cornales, 2 points. 13-10 ating score. Laman na ng 3. Flores ba yun? Flores. Ay, Pastor Claro pala yun. Pasok, una, pangalawa. 08, tukoy lang iyan. Iyan Morris for 3. Quitos for 3. 3 points. Pastor Adamos. Quintos. For 3, no good. Rebound. 2 points. Agang bola, nakawak. Pastor Adamos. Tupicordal, lumipad. 2 points. Tupicordal. To Simpayon. Simpayon. To jersey number 19. 2 points. Shot clock off tayo, 14 seconds. 10 seconds, 2 points. 10 seconds. 25 seconds. 5 seconds. Ayun pa. Pastor Ramos. End of the second quarter. Score natin. Ramos, Cordal, 2 points. Change paper na po tayo. To Cornales. Cornales, 2 points. Next game natin, Team Crusaders ba? Still? Cordal, 2 points. Change favor, laman na natin. Pasantero, 2 points. All 27 tayo, all 27. Damos. Uy, lumipad! May kasama pang foul. Foul, jersey number 27. So, iba, Labuta, Cornales, points. Labuta, points. 48 for Pastor Ramos. Pastor Ramos, wow. Okay po, super book po dito po sa kabila. By Cornales. Labuta, point. Last two. Lamutang! 2 point! First one. Good. Lamutang again. Point! Oh, tupak na. 14 seconds. Wala pa po. Hindi pa nabibigay yung bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Oscar Damos. 10 seconds. Foul. Captain Jack. Foul. Jersey number. Pasok. Timeout. Conquerors save. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds na lang. 15 seconds. Kuya Ian. Kill! 9 seconds. Pasok. 5 seconds. Pasok na lang kung maririnig natin ha. Score natin. Dalawa lang. 58-56. Kamayan mo tayo. Sino ang MVP natin? MVP, jersey number 14, Adamos. Best assist, Esteban. Siguro tayo po yung best rebound. Then best rebound, and then best